Carrie, turn on your video, your camera. Ay, Day, sino? Puntahan, Day.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. Hello. Can you hear me? Oh, you turn on your camera.
Sorry. My computer is a bit lazy, so I can't turn on the
Oh, you
camera.
can turn on your camera. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Wait me, ha. I'm here in school. Okay, so I will share to you the screen now. Wait me. How are you today?
Yes, I'm fine. And you?
Oh, well, do you have school today or no? You're free? Okay, so hello, Perry. Okay, so here is our teacher. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, so
Yeah.
Carrie, yes. Okay, I have teacher Anne has to ask you questions. So how do you go to school?
Uh,
So wait, your school is just near in your house or quite far?
I I go to school by motorbike.
A motorbike. Oh, like how many kilometers is it? Going to your school, how many
Uh,
kilometers?
yeah.
Yeah, how many kilometers, Carrie? Like three
Uh,
or five or just very near?
2 kilometers.
Oh, 2 kilometers. So it's not that far. Okay. So you go to school. Do you like traveling by train or have you ride a train before?
Uh,
Hmm?
yes, I like traveling by train.
Okay. Have you tried to travel by plane? I know, train or no? Not yet.
Yes.
Fine. Okay, so Carrie, if I ask you, so what do you think is your most dream travel destination? What country do you want to go in the future? If ever you will be in university, what country do you want to go or to travel?
Tôi rẻ tiền, bạn có muốn đi và viết bạn muốn đi nước nào tôi đi du lịch.
Yeah, what country do you want to travel, Carrie?
Yeah.
Yeah, what country do you want to travel? You want to go? Korea,
Dạ
USA.
con hát Vin á. Hả? Đúng rồi, khi mang tiếng hết biên con sorry.
What country?
Ừ.
You want the what country, Carrie? What country do you want to travel to?
Can you say that again?
What country do you want to travel? Like you want to go to Korea? You want to go to America? Do you want to go to England? Do you want to go to Philippines? Or what country?
South Korea.
South Korea. Why do you like to go to South Korea?
Because I like tteokbokki. Eat food.
You want to eat the tteokbokki? I don't know what is that. It's Korean food.
Yeah.
Okay, you want aside from the food, why do you like to travel Korea?
Yeah.
Why do you like to travel or to go to Korea again?
Bơ. Im lặng. Again.
Yeah. Why do you like to travel Korea again? You want to travel Korea because you want to taste the food. What else?
Bơ im lặng.
What else?
Again.
Oh. Why do you like to travel to Korea?
Uh,
Because
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 because I
yeah. Because
because I like
because I like you want to taste the food of Korean. Okay, Korean are people who
I
live
don't know
in
what
Korea.
say.
Korean are the people who live in Korea. They're Koreans. Okay. Filipino are the people who live in Philippines. Okay, my country is Philippines and I am Filipino, right? Okay, you live in Vietnam and you are Vietnamese, right? Teacher Ann live in Philippines. This is my country and we are Filipino. Filipino. Okay, if you go to Korea, the people who live in Korea are Koreans. Okay?
Okay.
Hey, so you want to go to Korea. How about Philippines? You don't like to be here? You want to go to Philippines, my country? Okay. Here, Carrie, Please try to look at the difference. Please check the difference, okay? Look at the difference. For example here, this is letter A, okay, ha? And this is letter B. Try to check the difference. Here, look at this. It's a clock and the apple. In letter B, it's apple and clock. Okay, you encircle the difference. Put a circle, okay, Carrie?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, please check the circle. The teacher is waiting. Can you tell me if you're done?
For English. Okay, bye na. Hindi lang ako
Sige,
bukag
fine. Paano lang?
Sige,
Okay,
niya
mga
lang.
5 minutes.
Hindi ako bukag
What do I do now?
Please try to encircle the difference. Look at letter A and look at letter B. Can you see the difference?
Circle all right. Circle all right.
Okay. Okay, done, Carrie? Carrie, just a minute, Carrie. Okay, done. Okay, Carrie, so you're done? Okay, so Carrie, Carrie, can you hear me?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so what happened? Okay, balay lang eh. Balay lang pinitahin sa gahapon na. Kaya nang sa sila. Kita nga nila. Cadbury ang chocolate. Paborito. Okay?
Okay.
So can you explain now? Okay, let me check. Okay, so look at here. So what can you say about this man here? Look at the boy in the picture. The first in letter A, the boy is what? The boy is holding an umbrella. Okay, another one. Look at this. What is this, Carrie? It's a what in here? It's a book.
Book.
But here, what is this? It's a
There's a
bottle. Okay, another one. Okay, here. What is the color of the bird? The birds. Color? In A, it's color. Color, Curry. Color, what's the color?
uh
Color?
white,
White.
and
Yes, and here,
white and
color?
green.
Very good. Okay, next one. What's this? Oh, look at this. Where is the grandma? Where is the grandma's hat? Look at the hat of the grandma. It is in A, it is on the table, and in B, it's under the table. Okay, next one. A. So let us here. We have A. This is Anne and Bill. They live in the same street, Carrie. I don't know anything about Anne's house, but we do. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Very easy, okay? Look at this. So teacher Anne will ask some question about Anne's house. These are the answers already. So I will ask question number 1. Where is Anne's house? Where? It's in the where? Look at here. Look at this one. Look at this one. Where is Anne's house?
Near the museum.
Very good. It's near the museum. Is it old or new?
New.
New one. How many windows are there in Anne's house?
6.
And has it got a garden? Has it got a garden?
No.
What color is her house?
Blue and white.
Blue and white. Okay, next one. Let us move to Bill. Okay, so here. Now, is Bill's house old or new? Look at the answer. Is Bill's house old or new?
Old.
Okay, what color is his house?
Red and white.
Okay, so how many windows are there in Bill's house?
10.
Okay, has it got a garden? Has it got a garden?
Yes.
Okay, where is Bill's house?
Near the station.
Near the station. Very good. Okay, so here. Now look at this. These pictures tell a story. It's called The Picnic. Just look at the picture first. Jan and Sally and their parents are getting into their car and they're going to have picnic. Now tell the story. Okay, so you tell me the story for this one. Okay, wait, ha. Okay, so this is number 1. Number 2, oh, there's number already. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you tell me what happened. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is a story of Jan and Sally and their parents. Okay, this is John, the one wearing blue, Sally, the one wearing red, and these are their parents, the mom and the dad. Okay, now in number 1, you tell me what is in the picture. A teacher is listening. You tell me. Please tell me number 1. What is the dad doing? You tell me.
Huh?
Okay, look at number
Again.
1. Okay, yeah, here. Okay, look at number 1. You tell me, okay, these pictures tell a story. It's called The Picnic. Okay, the story is The Picnic. You tell me, okay, what is number 1 picture all about? This is John. Look at her. John is wearing blue. This is Sally, the little girl wearing red. And the dad and the mom. Okay. You tell a story about number one first. Number one, tell me a story in picture number one. Look at number one picture. What is the dad doing?
That mm,
Dad is
that is getting ready to go camping.
very good. Dad is getting ready to go. Okay. Okay. Picture number two. Look at picture number two. What can you say about the picture number two? Look at what dad is doing and mom. Where is mom?
Mom, where mom?
Now look at the mom. Look at this. What the mom is doing. Mom is
Sleeping.
sleeping. Okay, how about the dad? What the dad is doing? Dad is
Again.
preparing the food. Dad is preparing the food. Number three. Okay, look at number three. Okay, look at number three. What do you think? Number three. Okay, the children are doing, John and Sally. What they are doing?
Uh,
They are
uh, they meet two bears.
okay. They are playing what? They're playing what? Look at them. Look at them,
Play
Sally.
badminton.
They're playing badminton. Very good. Okay. What animals did they see? What animals?
Beer.
Okay. Number
Beer.
four. Look at number four. What the animal is doing?
Uh,
The animal
uh,
is
the beer ran past.
okay. The bear is what? Eating
The beer ran crowd them.
Oh, so he tried to eat the food. Okay, how about number five? What did the children do? Number five, what did the children do? The children, yes.
Again. Annihilation.
Okay, so they give what? The children gave what? Give a banana. Look at them. The children gave banana to the bear. Oh, yes. Okay. Can you see that? Okay. So now, okay. So the family, look at here, ha. Okay, Carrie.
Uh,
Okay, can you read, Carrie? Please read. Read.
okay.
The family.
I read.
Yeah, you read this. Read.
The family has arrived in the
It's
country.
have. The family have.
The family have arrived in the country. The fathers putting the picnic on the grass. The mother sleeping in the shed. A bear watching the family. He's saying to the baby bear, "Come and eat." The father afraid. He's climbing a tree. The children aren't afraid. They are giving the bear some bananas.
Hey, lesson teacher had the family have arrived in the country. The father is putting the picnic on the grass. Look at this. Okay. The dad put the picnic on the grass. And the mother is sleeping in the sun. Look at the mom sleeping. He's saying to the baby bear, come and eat. The father afraid. Okay. He's climbing on the tree. Look at the dad. The dad climbs on the tree because Carrie, he is afraid of the bear. And then the children are not afraid. They are giving the bears some banana. Okay, it's banana. Can you see the banana? The bear is giving the banana. Okay. Hey, Kari, can you see that? Okay, the bear is giving banana. Okay, so teacher Ann will ask question. What is your favorite animal?
I like cat and
Cat.
dog
Oh, why do you like cat and dog?
because uh
Why do you like cat and dog?
because uh, because I like it's cute.
Because it's cute. Okay. How about dog? Why do you like dog? Don't you know that dog is man's best friend? Don't you know that, Carrie? Dog is considered as man's best friend. Okay. What is your favorite food?
I like eggs and chicken.
Okay. Eggs and chicken.
Yes.
Okay. Now, another one. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink
Pink.
and
Why do you
pink
like pink? Why do you like pink?
because I like pink.
Because I like pink, teacher. Why do you like pink? Because pink is for the girls? You like pink? I like pink, teacher, because it's for the girls. You like it because it's for the girls?
Because it looks nice.
It looks nice. It looks nice, teacher. Okay. So you told me you want to go to Korea. Oh, so you consider the Blackpink in Korea. You know Blackpink, the K-pop. You know K-pop?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, do you like Blackpink?
Yes, I like.
Oh, wow. So you want to watch the Blackpink. It's Korea. Okay? So another one. Who is your best friend in school?
Huh?
Your best friend.
Who?
Yeah, who?
Uh, my best friend. Uh, name? Name best friend?
Yeah, your best friend's name.
My best friend is Trâm Anh.
Jamang. Okay, how old is she? A girl or a boy?
Girl.
Oh, how old is Jamang? He is?
Uh, uh, 5 years older than me.
5 years older than you?
Yeah.
Oh, how old are
Uh,
you?
I'm 11 years.
And
She is 13 years.
he 2 years older than you. Hey, it's 2 years older than you. Okay?
Wait a minute. I go to the toilet.
Okay. Carrie, sorry, Carrie, huh? Teacher and don't have enough time. It's only 1 minute. Okay? Teacher will see you on when? Oh, today is Saturday. I will see you on, I know, Friday and Saturday. Okay? Because teacher don't have enough time. It's 1 minute already. And we will see each other on Friday. Okay, Carrie? Bye, Carrie.
I miss.